Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khotul Ail. I am a student of ITS Seni Pasua, the study of the mathematics education at the semester 3. In the video, this time I will explain the material about an integration. Surely, you have ever heard the word it is an integration? For that, let's study together about an integration to consider this video, okay? Before that, don't forget to click the button like, subscribe, and do not forget hit the bell icon, okay? Okay guys, enjoy my video!
Definition of integration. In class 12, you have learned of the concept of derivative. Comprehension on the derivative concept you can use to understand integration concept. For that, try to determine the following derivative function. f1x equals 3x rank 3 plus 3. f2x equals 3x rank 3 plus 7. f3x equals 3x rank 3 minus 1. f4x equals 3x rank 3 minus 10. f5x equals 3x rank 3 minus 99. Note that these functions have the general form f(x) equals 3x rank 3 plus c, with c is constant. Each function has a derivative f accent x equals 9x rank 2. Thus, the derivative function f(x) equals 3x rank 2 plus c is f accent x equals 9x rank 2. Now, what if you have to define the function f(x) of f accent x is known? Determine the function f(x) from f accent x means determining the antiderivative of f accent x. Thus, the integration is the antiderivative, antidifferential, or the inverse operation to the differential. If f(x) is a general function that is f accent x equals f(x), then f(x) is the antiderivative or integral of f(x). Integration function f(x) with respect to x is denoted as follows. Integral f(x) dx equals f(x) plus c, with integral is integration, f(x) is function integration, f accent x is integration common function, c is constanta. Now consider the derivative of the following function. g1x equals x, we obtain g1 accent x equals 1. So, if g1 accent x equals 1, then g1x equals integral g1 accent x dx equals x plus c. g2x equals half x squared, we obtain g2 accent x equals x. So, if g2 accent x equals x, then g2x equals integral g2 accent x dx equals half x squared plus c. g3x equals 1/3 x cubed we obtain G3 accent x equals x squared. So, if G3 accent x equals x squared, then G3x equals integral G3 accent x dx equals 1/3 x cubed plus c. G4x equals 1/6 x rank 6. We obtain G4 accent x equals x rank 5. So, if G4 accent x equals x rank 5, then G4x equals integral G4 accent x dx equals 1/6 x rank 6 plus c. Of this description, it appears that if G accent x equals x rank of n, then Gx equals 1 per n plus 1 x rank of n plus 1 plus c, or can be written integral x rank of n equals 1 per n plus 1 x rank of n plus 1 plus c, n not equals minus 1. For example, the derivative function fx equals 3x cubed plus c is f accent x equals 9x squared. This means antiderivative of f accent x equals 9x squared is fx equals 3x cubed plus c, or written integral f accent x dx equals 3x squared plus c. This description illustrates the following relationship. If f accent x equals x rank of n, then fx equals 1 per n plus 1 x rank of n plus 1 plus c, n not equals minus 1, with c is a constant. Example number 1. Find the derivative of each of the following function. A. Fx equals 5x squared plus 10. B. Fx equals half x cubed plus 2x. Answer. A. F accent x equals 2 times 5 x rank 2 minus 1 plus 0 equals 10x. B. F accent x equals 3 times half x rank 3 minus 1 plus 1 times 2 x rank 1 minus 1 equals 3 per 2 x squared plus 2. Number 2. Find the antiderivative x if known. A. G1 accent x equals x cubed. B. G2 accent x equals 2x rank 6 plus 3. Answer. A. G1x equals 1 per 3 plus 1 x rank 3 plus 1 equals 1 per 4 x rank 4 plus c. B. G2x equals 2 per 6 plus 1 x rank 6 plus 1 plus 3 per 0 plus 1 x rank 0 plus 1 equals 2 per 7 x rank 7 plus 3x plus c.